You don't need to spend hundreds of dollars to make your home smart. In fact, most people overpay for gadgets they don't even use. Today, I'll show you how to build a complete smart home setup for under $100 that actually makes your life easier. If you want convenience, security, and savings without wasting money, this is for you. Welcome to Tech Vibes, where smart tech meets smart spending. Number 1, start with a smart speaker. This is the brain of your setup. You can get an Amazon Echo Dot or Google Nest Mini for around $25 to $40. This lets you control everything with your voice. You can ask for weather updates, set reminders, control lights, and even manage your daily routine. It feels simple, but once you use it, you won't go back. Number 2, add smart plugs. These are one of the cheapest and most useful smart devices. You can find a pack of 2 for around $15 to $20. Plug them into your regular outlets, then connect your devices like lamps, fans, or even your coffee maker. Now you can turn them on or off using your phone or voice. You can also schedule them. For example, turn off everything automatically at night and save electricity without thinking about it. Number 3, get smart bulbs. A basic smart bulb costs around $10 to $15. Replace your regular bulb, and now you can control brightness and color from your phone. You can dim lights at night, set a relaxing mood, or even schedule lights to turn on when you get home. It also adds an extra layer of security because your home looks occupied even when you are away. Number 4, add a budget smart camera. Home security does not need to be expensive. You can get a decent indoor camera for around $25 to $30. These cameras connect to your phone and let you see what's happening at home in real time. Some even have motion alerts, so if something moves, you get notified instantly. This is great for peace of mind, especially if you live alone or travel often. Number 5, use one app to control everything. Most smart devices work with apps like Google Home or Alexa. Instead of switching between different apps, connect everything in one place. Now you can control your entire home with a single tap or voice command. This makes your setup simple and easy to use. Here's a bonus tip that most people miss. Use routines. This is where smart homes become truly powerful. You can create a good morning routine that turns on lights, starts your coffee maker, and gives you the weather. Or a good night routine that turns everything off automatically. It saves time and makes your home feel truly smart. The biggest mistake people make is buying expensive gadgets first. Start small. Focus on devices that actually solve daily problems. That's how you build a smart home without wasting money. If this video helped you save money, hit that like button. Subscribe to Tech Vibes for more smart tech tips. And comment below what smart device you want to add next.